Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we will learn about how we can use transformer in Webmethod N115. So basically transformer we use if you have multiple steps and want to invoke the steps in one map step. So for that purpose we use a transformer. So basically a transformer, invoking a transformers and invoking the services in flow, it's a similar. But the things is the little difference is that the transformer's input and output is a cascaded. It means that the execution happens independently and the execution order is not a strict. It independently execution happen. It means we doesn't know which service will execute first and which service execute at last. Okay. And the second thing, one service output is not a second service input. It means in flow services you can see in pipeline the one service output you can use as a second service input. But in if you invoking the service in transformer, so the order is not strict. It means the flow service output is not a second service input. Okay, this is the basic difference. So we'll discuss in details with the help of a demo. Okay, so let's start the demo. First, I'll create one empty flow service. Okay, and I'll give the user defined name, transformer services 1, then finish. So very first I'll define the service input and output. So I already created one request doc like shipment response document. I'll invoke here in output. So shipment response, and also I created a request document. So I just drag and drop here and give the name shipment request. So we define a ship like service input and output. So I just save the demo, and with the help of a try catch block, we will implement this flow service. So how we can implement the try catch block in web method? Yeah, with the help of three sequences. The video already uploaded on the same channel. You must watch. You can go through the all the videos. Okay. So just I drag and drop sequence. This is a main sequence. So I give the comment as main block. It always exit on a success. Then again, I'll drag and drop another sequence. I'll move right and comment I'll give try block. Exit on always failure. Try block exit on always failure. Okay. So here I'll take one map step. Okay. And I'll give the valuable comment as invoking services. So once I click on the map step, you can see the pipeline in and pipeline out. So I just maximize the pipeline with the help of I just double click so that pipeline will maximize. And here you can see the option pipeline in here, transformers and pipeline out. So transformer, here you can invoke the inbuilt services. So first I'll invoke the concat function. I'll expand it. Okay, and I'll give the input. I'll also expand the pipeline in, and here I can give the string 1, and in string 2 I'll also drag and draw like mapping right to in string, and value I'll map to shipment status. Okay, you can see here shipment date spelling is mismatched like mistaken. So I'll do one thing. Whenever you drag and drop the document, like document reference, so that case first you need to update your main document. So this is your document. So I just update it, rename, save. Here you can see, and again you need to let me go into the main service, and here you can see the spelling already get changed. Okay, so value to shipment status. Again I'll invoke the another transformer here, like mathematical function I'll invoke, add integer, I'll expand it. Num1, num2 I'll hard code it by 10, and num2 as a 20, and the value I'll map to addition. Okay, and now third I'll invoke the date function. So date function you can see in pub.date, the palette you can see here. So get current string here, and I'll expand it. So here I'll give the pattern as a YY capital, capital, and DD small. Okay, and value to date. So I just save the demo first. Here you can see we invoke all the three steps in one transformer, like in one map step. So although you can invoke the all steps in flow, it means here, but the thing is that whenever you invoking all the services, here the three steps got created. Okay, and basic purpose of a transformer, when you invoke the steps in transformer, it will increase the service performance. Okay, so if you have a 1000 line of code, okay, and there are, let's say, 250 inbuilt services you need to use, like Java services, yeah, any inbuilt services if you want to know. So instead of taking using a 250 steps in flow, you can directly take one or two, whatever map you require as per the requirement. You can invoke, and with the help of a map step in transformer, you can invoke the multiple inbuilt services. So the basic purpose of a transformer to increase the performance. Okay. So guys, we will again here will complete the code with the help of I'll take another sequence, move right, give the comment, catch block. Catch block always exit on a done. And here the one inbuilt service we required get last error to get the last error on the execution of a service, execution of a flow. So you'll get a last error with the help of this service. So insert, first check the service you already know or not. So I already used this service in previous demonstration, so it will already visible here. So I just double click and use it here and give the comment, get last error details you can mention. So sequence, this is the main block, try block, catch block. Any error occur in try block, it will jump to catch block. Okay. And business related logic you can perform here. And get last error it always first. Why? Because if you taking another services before the get last error, then the error details get overwrite. So that the purpose we required a get last error at first in catch block. Okay. So I'll just save the demo and click on empty space and run as a flow service. So here, like shipment date, I don't require because I didn't map in the in service. So first I required this one, shipment via, you can say, main highway. In freight you can say yes, it's loaded. shipment name, file, shipment address, Bombay, Mumbai, city M1, region M2, postal code 111111. We'll just give an example. Ship country, India. Then I'll just okay. And I'll just expand the result with the help of double click, and you can see here the shipment status, like the concat function we use here, shipment date, get current string, get current date, you can see here, and addition you can see here. So with the help of a transformer you can see the three three steps we perform here. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, so you can share with your friends. And any query, any concern, please do let me know in comment section. Till time, stay happy, stay connected, and have a great day.